Today I'm going to teach you how to make a parent row in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your data hierarchically, allowing you to group related items under a main category or parent row. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all your existing sheets and files. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage. This is where all your existing files and sheets are displayed. Take a moment to browse through your homepage and locate the specific file where you want to create a parent row. Once you've found it, click on it to open the sheet. This will bring up all the data you've been working on. Now, let's say you have some sample data in your sheet and you want to turn one of these rows into a parent row. The first thing you need to do is identify which row you want to become the parent. Once you've decided, click on that row to select it. Here's the key step. You need to drag this row above any other rows that you want to become child rows. Simply click and hold on the row number on the left side, then drag it upward until it sits above the rows you want to nest underneath it. This positioning is crucial because the parent row needs to be directly above its children for the hierarchy to work properly. After you've positioned your parent row correctly, the next step is to create the hierarchy by indenting the child rows. To do this, highlight all the rows that you want to become children of the parent row. You can do this by clicking on the first row you want to indent, then holding down the Shift key and clicking on the last row in the group. This will select all the rows in between. With your child rows highlighted, look for the indent icon in the toolbar at the top of your Smartsheet interface. The indent icon typically looks like a small arrow pointing to the right or a series of lines with an indentation. Click on this icon and you'll immediately see your selected rows shift to the right, becoming indented under the parent row. This visual shift indicates that you've successfully created a parent-child relationship in your sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully created a parent row in Smartsheet with child rows nested underneath it. This hierarchy makes it much easier to organize complex data, collapse sections for a cleaner view, and manage projects more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.